In this video, how to install Windows 11 without the internet connection requirement. By default, when you don't have an internet connection, the next button is grayed out, and you cannot continue with the Windows 11 installation. The installation can only proceed if you are connected to the internet. But after connecting to the internet, you will see another annoying login screen and cannot continue without a Microsoft Online account. If you are installing Windows Pro Edition, you can select the option to set up for work or school. Then you can use the domain join sign-in option to install Windows 11 using a local account without any Microsoft account. But if you are installing Windows Home Edition, that option will not be available. The first way is at this screen. Let's press Shift F10 or Fin Shift F10 if you are using a laptop to open the command prompt window. Next, press Alt Tab to switch to the window. Now, type this command and press Enter. A new window will open, allowing you to create a local account for the installation. As you can see, we can now bypass the internet and online account requirements when installing Windows 11. The second way is using the bypass NRO command. You still need to open the command prompt by pressing Shift F10 or Fin Shift F10. The computer will restart automatically. As you can see, this time, we will have another option to install Windows 11 without the internet. The next way is using the registry. Type regedit and press Enter to open the registry editor. Navigate to the following key. On the right side, let's create two dword values and set their data as 1. Close the registry editor and restart the computer. As you can see, the network setup and online account screens are gone, and you will be directed to the Create Local Account screen. And the last way, if all of the previous methods don't work. Type this command to create a local account from the command prompt. Once created, let's add it to the local administrators group. Go to the OOBE folder. Run this command to restart the computer. You will see this because the temporary default user is being used to log in. Let's press Enter to continue. Now, switch to the account that you've created in the previous steps. After logging in, the default user will be removed, and the next time, you will not see it on the logon screen. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.